Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.